Kasalukuyan nagaganap ngayon sa New Clark City sa Tarlac ang 60th ISOCARP World Planning Congress at kasabay po nito ang First International Congress for New Cities. Opisyal na nagsimula ngayong Martes, September 10, ang nasabing transformative journey na dinalokan ng iba't ibang delegado, urban planners, policymakers at visionaries mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Ito ay pinangunahan ng International Society of City and Regional Planners o ISOCARP. Malugod na tinanggap ng provincial government ng Tarlac, ngayon din ng Basis Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA ang mga participants.
City symbolizes our nation's aspirations for growth, innovation, and progress. It embodies the spirit of collaboration and forward thinking that defines our collective vision for the future for new cities, relocated capital sites, as well as regenerative cities. In this global conversation, we are here to envision ways to repair and to rebuild and to address challenges in new ways. As we search for doable approaches to phases that beset us, we interlock to support the President's call for a comprehensive, all-inclusive plan for economic transformation, and our event today is a testament to this support.
Day of living souls in the world for the past 8 months is 191,716 people. Every day in addition to the world. So what I'm just trying to point out is that more than ever, there is a need for us to plan what we are going to do with our communities because of the exploding population of the world.
Magkakaroon ng palitan ng impormasyon at kaalaman, gayon din ang kolaborasyon ng mga eksperto ukol sa urban planning at sustainable development sa loob ng 4 na araw.
I'm excited to begin this important conversation on how we, as planners, can create cities that are not only sustainable, but regenerative and above all, inclusive. The pace of urbanization is rapidly increasing, as we know in the presentation today, especially in the emerging economies of the majority world. While this brings exciting possibilities, it also poses significant challenges. Our role as urban planner is not just to manage this growth, but to guide it responsibly.
Sa pamamagitan din po nito, mapag-uusapan ng mga delegado ang pagkikitungo sa development nang hindi na isasaalang-alang ang environment. Liana Canilaw, CLTV36 News.